Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install Gmail in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab from here. Click on the new tab and new tab is open. Here, click on the Gmail or click on the Google Apps and click on Gmail. Open Gmail. Your Gmail is now open. Go to the three dots in a Google Chrome. On a Google Chrome, at the top we find three dots. Click on these three dots. Scroll down and here we find save and share. Go to the save and share and click on the create a shortcut. Click on create a shortcut. Here we find Gmail and click on open as a window. It is a very IMP. Click on open as a window. Click on a create. New tab is open. New app is open. Close it. Minimize your Google Chrome or close it. Click on no thanks. On desktop we find Gmail shortcut. Also in start, go to the start. On start we find Gmail in app list. Open it from the start or open it from the desktop. I open it from the desktop. Open it. And here we find our Gmail is on our Windows 11 PC installed as an app. So guys, this is the simplest way to install Gmail in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.